Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use app pinning on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. From here, just tap on more security and privacy. And on this page, you will find the option of app pinning. Just tap on it, then enable this toggle. And once you enable this toggle, you will enable app pinning. Now to pin an app, first of all, just open an app on your smartphone. For an example, I will open this app. After you open the app, then go to the recent apps section. Then tap on the three dots of the app which you want to pin. And from here, you will find the option of pin. Just tap on it. And once you do that, you will pin the app on your smartphone. And on this mode, you will not be able to open the notifications panel or the control center. And also you cannot go to the home screen. Just like that. Now to turn off app pinning, just tap and hold the back button and the recent apps section button at the same time. Just like that. And as you can see, app is unpinned. And from here you can go to your home screen and open the control center. And this is how you can use app pinning on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.